Can you take that and shake it up? I mean, like really shake it up. Really shake it up. You feel it getting tight?
Yes.
Feel it filling up a little bit?
Yes.
Okay.
And you know this is a very scary faux pas on radio.
Oh yeah. And then I want you to hold it like this. You trust me?
It's tight.
Just like that. Watch this. Imagine I could reach inside that bottle and I could pull out that fizz. In fact, you can see it now starting to go. Look at me. And I could just pull it into my hand and I could pull it across the table right here to me and I could hold it in my hand. And if I had that fizz in my hand right now, that would mean, if you trust me, after everything we've been through, you could open that Coke and open it like you mean it.
Can I open it away from the board a little bit?
Do what you think you must. Well, you know that energy never goes away. Energy has to go somewhere.
That was capped.
Energy has to go somewhere, big. Watch this. 3, 2, 1. Watch the bottle.